In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. How are you, friends? We all know that there are some boring tasks while create electrical design drawings and electrical shop drawing. One of these tasks is when we are creating BOQ, bill of quantity, for all main electrical cables in the project. Another boring task when we want to sort the electrical cables above the cable trays to avoid any clash between the electrical cables. Another boring task when we want to calculate the parameters of the cable trays like the widths and heights and calculate the filling ratio for the cable tray. All of these tasks are consuming our time. This add-on makes these tasks easy. So let's start. First, you will receive these add-on files from me. Just click on this file. Double click on it. You must see this window. This window indicates that the add-on has been installed correctly. Now, press enter to close this window, then open Revit. Before starting the add-on, let's take a look on Revit. There is no any created shared parameter. There is no any created project parameter. There is no any filters. There is no any schedule. You must know that you cannot start the add-on without internet connection. Your PC must be connected to the internet. Now let's go to our add-on. From add-ons, external tools, electrical cables. This is our main window for the add-on. Draw through cable tray. From here, you will choose the first panel, the second panel. From first panel, you can specify where the cable comes from. From second panel, you can specify where the electrical cable go to. If we have more than one electrical cable and all these cables have the same parameters, we must differentiate between them by using this icon. Earth cable. If we are using the cable as an earthing conductor, we check this check box. Length spare in meter. The add-on calculates only the length above the cable tray, but in real we need to add length to use it inside the panel, so we must add this length here. Cable color. To make the drawing better for our eyes and differentiate between cables, we can choose the color of the cable from here. Let's choose red. From these radio buttons, these radio buttons makes the cable choosing easiest to us. Just select the category of the cable. Now let's click on draw cable. Let's search for the first panel SMDP2 and the second panel SMDP3. Here we are. This is the nearest point to the panel. If we select any element from the cable, we will find all these parameters. Cable name, where the cable come from, where the cable go to, total electrical cable length, cable number in circuit, cable used as is or not, overall diameter to use it while calculate the cable trace parameters, overall weight, cable color, CSA, cross section area, max resistance AC, and this is max resistance DC, current rating, and so on. We will see that there is a filter for red one, for red color. We will find that there's an electrical cable schedule for the single core CU XLPE PVC. You don't need to go to catalogs to get the cable parameters. Take another example. What if we click on multi-core CU BBC and choose 3-core 35 RM CU BBC stranded and armored conductor, and let's choose other panels. Let's choose another color. Here we go. We will find that there is another filter for green color. We will find that there is another schedule for multi-core cables. Let's take another example for first panel SMDP 11 and for the second panel SMD7. Let's choose the same cable name, but we must change the cable number in circuit. There are identical instances in the same place. This will result in double counting in schedules. Click this is because we choose the same diameter of the electrical cable. Just click OK. OK. What if we didn't change the cable number in circuit? Let's keep it 2 and create another cable. The cable will not appear in the schedule. Let's choose another name and let's keep the cable number in circuit 2 or 1 as the cable name is different. The cable appeared here. Now, for the single core CU PVC, this is all the single core cable in Revit Catalog. Let's choose an example. There is a new schedule here. The cable, one core stranded cover PVC and armored 150 cross section area. What if we want to create a cable between this panel SMDB 12 and SMDB 11? Let's choose other cable number, cable color. Now we can go and coordinate the cable on the cable trays. The pin radius for the cable tray fitting is 300 millimeter. What if we change this value to be 600 and repeat the electrical cable. You will find that the new electrical cable takes the same bend radius for the cable tray fitting. Let's take another example. And here we go. What if we don't need to create the cable above the cable trees, but we want to create electrical cables in the ground? As an example, let's take any conduit here. There is no any parameter. The conduit fitting is M conduit elbow. Now let's choose all this path. By click on any element from this path and click tab. Now go to the second tab, grow from conduits, and click to get selected conduits and conduit fitting. Now we need to specify where the cable comes from and where it will go. For an example, let's assume it will comes from SMDP 13 and will go to SMDP 3, cable number in circuit, earth cable, spare length, lead bend radius as it is, cable color. Let's choose green yellow and let's click on single core. You will find that there is a new electrical cable with all of its parameter. If we go to this schedule, you will find that the cable was added here. The bend radius for the conduit fitting is 241 millimeter. But what if we want to increase this value? Let's create new one, or we have selected the electrical cables before, so let's set new bend radius and increase this value to be 600 as an example. For yellow, we can choose dark red. El cable name, let's keep it 185 ALX LBE BBC stranded 80A. We will find that the new bend radius value is 600. That is all for this add-on. To get this add-on, you must give me your MAC address or your physical address. Go to search bar, then type run, then press enter, then type CMD, then press enter. Here type id config / all, then press enter. You must give me this row or this number, or this number. Thank you and see you in the next add-on.